Welcome to NextBrain. As soon as we log into the web app, we will have several workspaces. These are folders or projects that allow us to share data with our team members. Upon registration, we have automatically added a series of templates to every account, so you can start testing with real data. I'm going to enter a workspace I've prepared for this video. Once we are inside a workspace, we can create models. In artificial intelligence, models are mathematical tools that help computers make decisions or predictions based on historical data to predict new situations. So let's get to it. Let's create a new model. To upload our historical data, we can do it from a single source or multiple sources at once, which is a more advanced case. To give you an idea, it would be something like this. We can directly drag the data and perform different actions, such as merging data from different sources, filtering, or transforming them. For this video, we're going to keep it much simpler. We insert data from a single source, from a CSV file on our computer. In this dataset that we have uploaded, what we want to predict is whether a person, based on various attributes or characteristics, would have survived or not on the Titanic. The system automatically creates this table where we can see the representation of all your data. In this section, more data can be added, or even certain transformations can be made to them. Automatically, the system generates recommendations that we can make. We can even chat with an AI assistant where we can explore data directly in natural language and also apply the transformations it recommends. For example, one of the interesting transformations that can be made could be this one right here. As you can see, the system creates the column we asked for in real time. We can also gain more insights from the data by reviewing different correlation charts. In addition, it generates a real-time description. If we go to problem description, the system has automatically generated all this information where it analyzes in detail the data from this model. Once we are okay with our data, we can move on to the train model section. Remember, we want to predict whether someone would survive or not on the Titanic. So we're going to select that as our target. And we simply aren't going to select any of the other options in this case, since they are optional. Let's let the system recommend what we can do to get a better result. Over here, it gives us recommendations to see what we can do better. In this case, we're going to take action by clicking on all the recommendations. Once all are marked, we click on Train again. In this case, the accuracy increases dramatically, up to 97%, because it performs very well with more information. And over here, in real time, it tells us what we can do, drawing more conclusions, analyzing why the model did what it did, and everything that happens underneath. With this, we can now go straight to predict in many ways. For now, we're going to predict on a table like this. And as you can see, it calculates and generates the prediction results for us. Once predicted, we can go to the dashboard. It's fully customizable, can be shared, and many more charts and information can be added.